how to change the application language into GIS. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the application language into GIS. So how do you change the language? The first step is to log in into your account, just like I've done here. And once you are logged in and you're brought to your own page, the next step is to move to the bottom right corner, click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there, then select settings. So under settings, and you are brought to the settings page, the first option here is language, so just select that. Then you can now see the different languages that are available on the 2GIS application. So just go ahead and select the language that you want to use, and then just like that, the language on your 2GIS application would be changed to that selected language of yours. For me, I want to maintain English, so I'll just leave it as English. All right, so that is it. So this is how to go about it. This is how you can change the application language into GIS. Thank you and have a good day.